Hello guys, Nadun sir back. This is a day of my vlog where I walk you through my garden. So my dear friends, my garden is not that sort of a tidy and very beautiful place, but you have ample of space. It is very spacious, so you have ample of space to walk in, right? So you can see I am barefooted because I am a very much nature person. I like to enjoy the nature, I like to feel the nature, and I don't advise especially students to wear slippers all the time because it causes a pain, it causes psychological imbalance, right? That's why. So whenever you get the time to connect with the nature, please connect. Okay, what is the motive behind this video, what is the motive behind this vlog? I'm taking 5 to 10 minutes to speak to you in English and help you develop your English language speaking skills. So I have one major principle with two aspects to help you achieve spoken English mastery. Right? See how beautiful. For some of you, my village, my garden might be beautiful, but for others, people skeptical and people demanding tidy gardens, this might not be the perfect garden you would expect. Okay, I have a well there, right? You can see the well. Okay, now the principle is something like this. It states you need to practice English language practice, you need to practice the L2, that is your second language or the target language which you are aiming to master, right? You need to practice the language on a consistent basis, that means regularly. Some of you guys, you will start practicing the language today, but you will omit practicing it tomorrow, you will ignore practicing it tomorrow. So it should not happen like that. It should happen on a consistent basis, it should happen on a regular basis. For instance, imagine for one single day we have 24 hours, take at least 5 to 15 minutes, that will amount to 1% of the day, puta, 1% of the day. So practice the language, devote at least 1% of your day to practicing the language. Okay, you will see my dog, even my dog is pretty much untidy, right? So devote at least 1% of the day to practicing the English language. Next, I told you that this principle has two aspects. Aspect number one is you should train your mind to not to speak, to think in English, right? Thinking in English precedes speaking in English. So thinking in English comes before speaking in English. Number one, train your mind to think in English, to think in L2, to think in English. Then number two, train your body and mind to speak in English. Now, why did I say train your body? Yes, of course, your tongue, all your passive articulators, your active articulators, everything, every organ inside of you, outside of you, your body movements, everything you have to learn them. So how can you learn them correctly? You can watch videos of how native speakers produce the language, then you can try to imitate them. By imitating them, I am not implying you to copy them, but you can learn from them. If you want to learn something, right, you need to look at people who have completed it or perfected it. Right now I am walking on muddy ground, right? See, I am a very relaxed and nature person, So okay, enough saying about me. This is not about me, right? Here we are trying to improve our spoken side, right? So train yourself to think in English, aspect number 1. Aspect number 2, train your body and mind to speak in English. So most of you might not have cooperating friends, right? Cooperative friends, people who will be willing to help you out, right? So but if you have good friends, if you have best friends, if you have friends who are very sincere, they will help you out. So ask them, okay, Sunetaya, please help me. Okay, Buddhigaya, do me a favor, help me to practice my English language, please help me out with this. You at least ask him, please help me, do this favor for me, at least help me with practicing this English language for 5 minutes, something like that. You can ask for them. So if you don't have any friends, any good friends who will be willing to help you, if you don't have any friends who will be willing to help you out with practicing the language, you can ignore everyone and every other thing, and you can record yourself. It may be an audio record, it may be a video record, selfie record. You can record yourself, you can talk to yourself, you can sing in English, you can dance in English, you can walk in English, inside of the bathroom, outside of the bathroom, right? You get out of the fear, get out of the anxiety, right? You don't feel distressed, right? Speaking is very normal, right? Speaking is very normal, but you need to master it. If you master it, you will gain boosted levels of self-confidence. You will get higher levels of self-confidence, with which you will be able to produce natural English. So I will end this vlog today, right? So you see the okay guys, I will end the log now, right? So I will meet you on a next episode. So guys, before ending today's episode, I will show you my cat as well. I know he's a very skinny guy, he has no fat in him. Okay, I will even, oh my gosh, I will even lift him with my leg. Okay guys, see you again. I will come back with another vlog episode helping you to improve your spoken English. Until then, Nadun sir signing out.